Alright, I'm running the pump here again. And I've got it disconnected from the boiler. You can see it over there. It's right here. Pumping real nicely. A lot of pressure. And as I close it off more and more, the pump's working harder and harder to pump water into the boiler when it's time to do that. And you see how far down the bucket's gone. It was full. It really moves a lot of water. My name is Ross. My phone number is 206-948-0770. Give me a call if you're interested in this pump, or find it on eBay if you type in steam off grid. That's about all. Thanks for watching.